Hello YouTube. Just went to the store. I needed to get a few things. This time around when I put the system in the car, I'm going to have the proper tools. The other times I did it, I just used my regular tools. I had to find and search for stuff. This time I'm going to get the proper tools so I can just install everything real quick and with no issues. The first thing we're going to look at is what's in the toolkit. This toolkit here is for installing stereo equipment. So let's open this up and see what we have in there. Okay, what we have here is electrical tape. We got a crimp tool. We got ourselves a screwdriver with all the necessary bits, Phillips and flats, to remove and install stuff. Also, this handle here comes off, so you can just use this small piece right here. Perfect for when you're in little small corners, like you're trying to bolt an amp to a corner in the trunk or whatever, and there's no room for a full-size screwdriver. You can take this piece off of the handle and just use the stub here with the bits, and you can screw on and off bolts and screws, which is good right here. Everything here. We also got some zip ties. Unless you need to move away some wires, tie them off out of the way, make a clean installation. This kit was $10. Not bad. Now let's check out the other one. Okay. And here we are. We have your power cable. You got about, let me see how many. You got about 16 foot of power cable. You got a jack hooked from your stereo all the way to where you need the trunk to be. My amp to be is going to be in the trunk. And we got a power cable. This is hooked to the radio. When the radio comes on, it cuts the amp on. This goes all the way to the amp. And we got a ground. The ground, it don't have to be that long because it's got to be close to the amp. So I'm just going to, like I said, hook it to the amp, and then anywhere metal. I'll probably drill a hole somewhere probably in the back of the metal frame to the rear seat. Screw it in there, and then you got yourself a ground. And you got yourself a few, some shrink stuff for the wires, some zip ties, and a screw or two if you need it. And you got yourself a fuse. Definitely need that if something happens. If something grounds out and starts burning, you can pop that fuse without it setting your car on fire. And looks like a complete kit. This right here was $20. So hopefully these two kits will make the installation of my head unit, my speakers, and my amp quick, smooth, with no issues. That's all I wanted to do today. I just want to do a quick unboxing of these that I picked up today. I might be able to get everything installed, the stereo-wise, Friday. We'll see. If it happens, I'll make a video. If not, whenever I install it, I'll make one. So I'll cut the video short right here. Till next video, I'll see you.